Hey, this is Tracy Austin here, founder and CEO of New Mentality PC and Mental Edge Fitness Solutions, both companies headquartered in Mooresville, North Carolina. Now that you've been retested, you probably need some booster sessions. Mental fitness is just like physical fitness, never ending. As you have heard us say throughout this entire program, this is exercise. So maintenance is required and recommended for optimal and lasting results. Think about it this way. You're building new muscles and networks. They have to stay strong and connected. So maintaining and practicing what you've learned is necessary. The good thing about maintenance, though, is that this program doesn't have to be as intensive as when you first started, unless you want it to be. Exercise is a continuous process. Once you make progress, you don't just quit and never go back to the gym. If you do, then there's potential for your muscles to atrophy. If you don't use it, you lose it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and schedule your map. After you've been mapped, we will discuss the maintenance program with you. Until then, shine brighter.